This is my famous smothered green beans, and it just happens to be the most highly requested dish at my family's Thanksgiving.
Okay, let's normalize eating green beans throughout the year and not just during the holidays. For my special twist to this classic dish, I start by lightly sauteing onions and jalapenos in a generous amount of butter. I personally love the fresh crispness that the onions and jalapenos bring to this dish. Then I like to add a boatload of garlic followed by a variety of mushrooms. Once the mushrooms have slightly softened, I add in Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. To thin it out, I add some milk. The seasonings are quite simple here: soy sauce for a salty umaminess, and some freshly cracked black pepper. To assemble, layer the sauce, blanch green beans, more sauce, cheddar cheese, and fried onion pieces between the layers. Repeat, cover and bake for 45 minutes, then broil the last 2 minutes to get a cheesy, crispy crust on top.
Et voila,